How to hide last seen on the Telegram app. To be continued after break, please keep watching. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to hide last seen on the Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on the Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till we get Privacy and Security. Click on Last Seen and Online. Here you have three options. The first one, everybody, means that everybody can see your last seen time. The second option, my contacts, means that only your contacts can see your last seen time. Third one, nobody, means that nobody can see your last seen time. Let's try my contacts. After that, press OK. Now it's already active. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment on our video. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.